Little Bo-Peep looks all around. Her fluffy sheep are nowhere found. She waits and hopes with gentle cheer. They'll come back soon, she whispers near. Bo-Peep sits down and falls asleep. She hears soft sounds like ba-ba-deep. She wakes up fast and looks once more, but still no sheep are at her door. She grabs her stick and walks ahead, with brave thoughts running through her head. She finds her sheep, they're safe and sweet, but missing tails make her heart beat.